Today, I'll show you how to use templates in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or looking to streamline your marketing efforts, templates can be a game changer in creating consistent and professional communications. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily set up and use templates on this platform. To get started, open your browser and navigate to brevo.com. Once there, log in with your credentials to access the main dashboard. Brevo's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you should find it fairly straightforward to navigate. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu, where you'll see a variety of options. Here, you'll want to click on the Marketing tab. This section houses all the tools you need for creating and managing your marketing campaigns. With the Marketing menu open, the next step is to click on Templates. This is where you'll manage all your existing templates and create new ones. If you're planning to send out consistent emails or push notifications, using templates can save you a lot of time and effort. Now, to create a new template, look for the Create Template button and give it a click. You'll be prompted to choose between creating an email template or a push template, depending on your needs. If you're focusing on email marketing, select the Email Template option. For app notifications, choose the Push template. This flexibility allows you to tailor your approach to suit your specific marketing strategy. After selecting the type of template you want to create, it's time to add your content. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. You can add text, images, and links to craft a message that resonates with your audience. Remember, the content you create here can be reused, so it's worth investing some time to make it perfect. Consider your brand voice and the message you wish to convey to ensure consistency across all your communications. Once your content is ready, you'll need to set up the sender details. Enter the sender email address and the sender name as you want them to appear to your recipients. Crafting a compelling subject line is crucial here, as it's the first thing your audience will see. A good subject line can significantly increase your open rates, so make sure it's engaging and relevant. Next, enter the preview text. This text acts as a snippet that appears in your recipient's inbox just after the subject line. It provides a sneak peek into the content of your email, so use it wisely to entice your audience to open and read your message. After you've filled in all the necessary fields and are satisfied with your content, the final step is to click Save. This action will store your template in Brevo, making it readily available for future campaigns. With your template saved, you can easily access it anytime you need to send a similar message, ensuring consistency and saving you time on repetitive tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use templates in Brevo. By following these steps, you can create efficient, consistent, and professional marketing materials that can help elevate your brand's communication strategy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore Brevo's features further to enhance your marketing efforts even more. Thank you for watching, and happy marketing.